Hello, fourth level. By now, you should be masters of the mean and median of number sets. Today's lesson, we are going to focus on the final two parts. There'll be two lessons in one because really, they're pretty easy. The first one that we're going to talk about is mode. The word mode can be thought of as meaning most. The words are very similar. So, the mode of a number set is the number or numbers that are repeated the most. Remember in the work that we've already done, sometimes a number set may contain 2 number 3s, 4 number 5s. Those are repeated numbers. So before we actually look at some examples, there are 3 rules that we need to be aware of. There may be only one mode. There may be multiple modes. There may be no mode. So what does all of this mean? This is another reason why we should put numbers into a number set where they are in order. Because it's really easy to take a look and see that our number set of 2, 7, 7, 10, and 13 has a number repeated more than anything else. There's actually only one set of repeated numbers. So in this particular number set, our mode is 7 because we see 7 repeated the most. In this example, we have several numbers that are repeated, but only the 3s are repeated the most. Since the 3s are repeated the most, the mode of this number set is 3. If I take a look at this number set, I see the 5s, the 7s, and the 9s repeat the most. So my mode is 5, 7, and 9. In this number set, I see that 2s repeat, 3s repeat, 6s repeat, and 9s repeat. But the 6s and the 9s repeat the most. We see those the most, so the mode is 6 and 9. In this example, we see that the 8s repeat, the 12s repeat, and the 20 repeats. Each one repeats the most. There's an equal number of repetitive numbers. So our mode is 8, 12, and 20. If we take a look at this number set, we see that there are no numbers that repeat. Since no numbers repeat, there are no numbers that repeat the most. So our mode, our answer is no mode. Now, pay attention that I don't say the mode is 0. I don't say that there's a 0 mode because 0 could actually be in the number set. So if you're saying the mode is 0, you're saying that 0 repeats the most. This particular number set doesn't even have the number 0, so 0 cannot be an answer. Write out no mode. Now try it on your own. Here's a group of numbers. They are not in a number set. Pause the video, find the mode, and restart when you are ready. You may pause now. Putting these numbers into a number set, I would put it in that order. One way that you can do this is by searching, finding the smallest, crossing it off, and writing it down. Finding the next smallest, writing it down. And by doing it this way, you can help ensure, see, I didn't even do that, so I forgot to put the 7 in. So, but doing it that way, you can help to ensure that you don't accidentally skip a number. So go through and do this process, as you are writing your number set. So if you have your number set, it's very easy to see that the 2's repeat the most, so our mode for this problem is 2. Work on this one next. Pause the video and restart when you think you know what the mode is. If you have put everything in order, your number set would look like this. The 3's repeat, the 4's repeat, the 7's repeat. But in order, we can clearly see that 3's repeat the most. So our mode is 3. Here's the next one. Try it on your own. Put it in order, find the mode, unpause when you are finished. If you put these in order, you would have come up and found that the 0's repeat, the 10's repeat. Those are the only ones that repeat. There are 4 zeros, there are 4 10's. They repeat the most, so 0 and 10 is the mode for this set of numbers. Here's the next one. Unpause when you have the mode. If you put these in order in a number set, our number set looks like this. There are no numbers that repeat. There are no numbers that we see the most. Since there are no numbers that repeat, there is no mode. New topic. After we have talked about the mode, we will talk about the range. The range, the next thing you will add to your math composition notebook. The definition of range is how many numbers span across a set of numbers. It is the difference between the largest number in a number set and the smallest. Pause here so you can copy this into your comp book and then restart. In this particular number set, we have 2, 7, 7, 9, 10, 10. There are a couple of 7's here. There's a couple of 10's here. We don't care about that. All we care about is the largest number and the smallest number. So the largest number, even though there's a couple of them, the largest number is still 10, and the smallest number is 2. So we're going to take the largest, subtract the smallest, and that is the range. The range, there are between 2 and 10, it covers 8 spots, 8 digits, 8 numbers. Even though there's not 8 numbers in this, I don't think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nope, there's not 8 numbers in that. 8's not even in here. It's not necessarily the mean or average, and it is certainly not the mode, but it is the range. Largest minus the smallest. Another reason having these numbers in order is very helpful. I can't really make this hard, and I cannot really make it tricky. In this particular number set, our largest number is 15. Our smallest number is 10. So we take 15 minus 10. That answer is 5. So the range of this number set is 5. Now you do it. Put this into a number set, find the range, and restart when you think you have the range. In a number set, 4, 5, 12, 16, and 100, there is no mode, but we have the largest number of 100 and the smallest number of 4, and we want to know the whole range from 4 to 100. So we're going to take the largest and subtract the smallest. All right, I can't take 4 from 0, but I can make that a 10 because I'm going to borrow from here, which I don't have anything, so I need to borrow from there. That makes that a 10. 9. Okay. 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 0 is 9. That's already gone. My range is 96. So from 4 to 100, there are 96 numbers. Did you get 96 as your range? Last one to try on your own, but together. Pause the video, come up with your range, and restart when you are finished. If you put them in order, you would have found that you have 20, 20, 25, 25, 25. These repeat and these repeat. These repeat the most, and even though we're not looking for the mode, our mode is 25. If we're looking for the median, we can cross out the N2 and find that our median is 25. But our range is the largest minus the smallest. So we have 25 minus 20. See, carry the 14, is 5. Our range is 5. Did you get 5? If you didn't get 5, take a look at it again. Did you put them in order? Largest minus the smallest is 5. Now, find the mode and range for these numbers. Pause now and unpause when finished. Now, on your own, find the mode and range for these numbers. Pause and restart when you have the mode and range. Pause now. Putting them in order, we have a number set that looks like this. If I'm looking for the mode, what number repeats the most? It is the 12s repeat the most, so the mode is 12. If I'm looking for the range, the largest number is 12, the smallest number is 5, so I need to do 12 minus 5. If my math is correct, and 12 minus 5 is 7, that means that the range is also 7. How'd you do, 4th level? Here is your assignment. Please copy the following problems into your math composition notebook. They will not be in a number set. They will not be in order. Please make sure that they are put in a number set and you find the mode and range for each. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Number 10. And just a little bit of a challenge. Okay, 4th level, that is your assignment. Now, we'll do something a little different to check these answers. Fran is going to do a Zoom conference on Friday, more details to come, and go over the steps of solving these live on Zoom. So, you will get more information. Hopefully you are able to join Fran on Friday with the answers, and hopefully you can do really well with it. If you have any problems on mode or range, please check in, send a message, and we'll answer you as quickly as possible. I'm also going to include a fun little song that is on YouTube that talks about mean, median, and mode. I know those in Kerner Blue, well, actually, never mind, because our 4th level would not have been around last year, but everyone else in Kerner Blue can all sing this song. I'll share it with Monarch as well. It's a little bit old, but a little bit catchy too. So enjoy the video. Please look for it somewhere around this video. Talks about mean, median, and mode. Good luck, and Fran will see you on Friday. Have a good week, everybody.